Hey everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Got my Ipsy and I'm in a big envelope because I did a couple of little add-ons. And I'll show you those. So I'll pull out, and then I have a smaller envelope. So I do like getting push stuff outside of my bag. Oh, I get notices of what's in my bag. I pick an item, but sometimes I don't remember. I never look again. So it gets kind of exciting for me. It's like, oh yeah, I knew I was getting that. Okay, we have got the card with pricing on it. I do like that. It gives me a little bit of an idea of what things cost. Let's start with my add-ons. My add-ons, I don't know why, I've been doing this lipstick thing lately. I might go through and show you my entire lipstick collection. That might be a video we do soon. But I got a couple of lipsticks. Well, I got a lip gloss and a lipstick. The first one I got was Lipgasm lipstick, Trust Fund Beauty. It says full disclosure. I don't know if that's the color name. I don't remember what I paid for these. I'll throw that away. Full disclosure is the color. It's a nice packaging. It's not magnetic. Oh, my end's a little dented, but that doesn't bother me. There we go. It's an orangey, a coral neutral. It's probably not a color I might wear straight out. In fact, let's blend it. There we go. I had on Fashion by Merit. Clean this off. Yeah, this is definitely one I will use as a mixer. I do like that. That's nice. Just to wear it by itself, probably not. Probably not. I usually can make any lipstick work. But, yeah. And then Mo Beauty, Mo Shine. Holographic packaging. Holographic packaging. I tell you, anything shiny must have been a niffler in a former life if you're not a fan of the Harry Potter world, the Fantastic Beasts world. A niffler is a creature who likes shiny things, and that would be me. This lip gloss is Patricia's Sister. That's why I got it. That's what made me get it. It's called Patricia's Sister. I rarely see things with my name. Oh, that's pretty. Piece of them. I hope that is focusing. I'm trying real hard to keep the focus going. Let's put some of this on. You put it down in. Very pretty. I'm very pleased with my purchases, my add-ons. So there we go. I don't know if I'd call that a gloss. Look, I'm getting it on my, got it on my dress. I would call it a, more like a shiny liquid lip. It's very opaque. It's not sheer. All right, now let's get into my bag. Here's what the bag looks like. It's got little stars on the back. Should we be getting our Halloween bag? Is this September? Yeah, this is September's bag. I love the Halloween bags. So yeah, this is September. Okay. September 2024. Is that Justin Bieber's wife? I don't know. Halle Bieber? Halle Baldwin Bieber. Alright, the moment you've been waiting for. Let's take that off. Here's the little... it's okay. It's not a favorite. I'm going to take all of the things out. We got something pretty big here. I'll take all my things out. The bag is okay. It's a vinyl. It would be good waterproof if you had something to use it for. That's all I gotta say about that. Now, first, is this the first thing? Yes. BYROE, Biro, New York, Tea Time, Chamomile Tea Face Cleanser. I guess you can see that. Hope so. Gently refresh your skin with help from this hydrating gel cleanser. Contains chamomile tea, tangerine extract, and a brightening complex, which is licorice water, vitamin C, sea buckthorn, and ginger, to swiftly remove dirt, oil, and pollutants, while also deep cleansing your pores. Yeah. Full size is 150 ml for $40. I can't tell. This one is 20 ml. There we go. I'm going to see. I hope it has a safety seal. I'm going to break that safety seal because I want to smell it. Don't care. Don't care. I think I'm going to. I think I am. I need some. There we go. Let me get a little out. It's clear. It's a nice scent. I guess I can smell the chamomile tea. It's a pleasant scent. Yeah, that's nice. Nice gel cleanser. Next, Benefit. Here we go. Fan Fest mascara. I'm not going to open it. One swipe. Adds volume, blah 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 blah. Full size is $29. I know this is not a full size. Yeah, fanning and volumizing mascara. I'm just gonna put that in with my other mascaras, and I just randomly draw when I need a mascara. Next is a SL Miss Glam large fluffy bird blending brush. I like SL Miss Glam brushes. That's a pretty good size brush. It's a bird blending brush. The key to nailing a soft focus finish. The blending brush. It's a multitasking blending brush. Can be used for blush and highlighter. Okay, I was wondering. It's a little big for my eyes. I guess you could use it on your eyes. I can see using it for highlighter. Full size, it is $21.50. This is a nice brush. I like her brand. Looks like it's got chickens on it or something. It's birds. It's birds. It's because it's a bird. It's a bird blending brush. There's where the birds come from. Let's see if I can get you some birds. I don't know if that's going to show. Got birds on it. There. That's why it's called bird blending brush. Okay, I'm just gonna add it over here with my brushes. Next, Innisfree Cherry Blossom Glow Gel Cream. It's a pretty good size. We'll see. The box isn't that size. Yeah, it's okay. Okay size. This is a facial cream. Featherweight moisturizer with a gel-like consistency. Those are my favorite. If I put anything too heavy on my face, I break out. I like the gel moisturizers. It sinks into your skin like a cream. Okay. Let's see. Full size version is 50 mils for $26. This is 15 mil. I'm not gonna take a safety seal off of that or anything. And then last, I believe this is what I chose, and that is, it's Pink Lips Cosmetics Fall Sweet Fall Mini Eyeshadow Palette. It's an eyeshadow palette. Fall Sweet Fall. And this is full size. Even though it's a small, it's like a little 5-pan palette. Those are pretty shades. I'm going to swatch them real quick on my hand. Let me wipe my hand off. I had that face cleanser on there. Do they have names? No. None of the shades have names, so I'm just going to there's the first 3. Let's do it this way. Off my hand and get the last 2. They feel a little dry. They are not extremely high end by any means, but they swatch really nice. There we go. So the first one was this really pretty shimmer, and it looks like it's a champagne shimmer. And then we have the next one is a matte right there. It's a matte, kind of a cool peach. And then next we have a matte, which is like a chocolate tan color, maybe. Maybe chocolate's not the word. It's tan color. Then we have, it looks like there's a little shimmer in it, but it swatches like a matte. So we're going to call it a matte with a little bit of sparkle, although the sparkle is not really showing up on my hand. It's in the palette. One of those, and that's a true terracotta. And then we have a chocolate brown, which is also a matte. So I would say you've got 4 mattes and a shimmer. Not bad. A nice little basic palette there. I'm not complaining. That sells for $16. Not bad. I need to get a makeup remover for that one, but there we go. This I like. I'm excited about this. I'm always excited about a good brush. Nice mascara, nice name brand. I'm okay with that. I wouldn't say excited, but I'm glad to get a gel moisturizer. And then this chamomile tea cleanser looks really intriguing. I might try that out maybe this evening. So there we go. Not bad. I won't call it a bad. The things I got, I really like. The bag, I mean, I could take it or leave it. The bag's, it's nothing spectacular or special by any means. But it might be something I pass along to a niece or something. In fact, I might do that. I might take a bunch of stuff with me Christmas this year and say, yeah, you guys want any of this stuff, you can have it. So, yeah, there we go. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'd love to hear what you got in your bags. If you get I just get the little glam bag. I don't get the bigger boxes because I used to get all of that, and I'm still going through so much skincare from that. I don't mind the smaller samples. I just don't want so many big things in my life right now. Once I get way down using up my products, then I will probably sign up again for the larger boxes. But man, I collected a lot of stuff over the years and I don't need any more. But yeah, let me know what you got. If you got the little glam bag, just a small one. And yeah, if you're new here, I'd love it if you would subscribe. Any questions or comments, leave them down below. And if you enjoyed this, please give me that thumbs up. Really helps me out a lot. So guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.